Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF file on your mobile device. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store and in the search bar look for the Acrobat Reader app. Install it and open. Now just log into your account, but I don't need to. Now go to the files and look for the PDFs from your device. Now we have to add permissions to the files for this app, and as you can see there you have a few PDF files, so just tap on that one that you want to edit, and as you can see there you have a lot of options to add a text, highlight something, draw. And now if you want to add the text, for example, just tap on any place. And now you can add the text to your document. You can change the place for it, select the text size and the color. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.